C. In exercise number C, you see working groups complete this flow chart on how the friends pack. Now let's see your group. Number first, the narrator George and Harris make the blank place of things to be packed. You will fill here. The narrator George and Harris make the list. Okay, you will fill here list with the list of things to be packed. Now number two, the friends blank place other things to be packed in one room. In the blank place you will fill the friends together. The friends together all the things to be packed in one room. Now the third, the narrator starts blank place and complete the task shown. In the third, you will write packing. The narrator starts packing. Okay. In number 4, the narrator realizes he forgot the blank place boots. He forgot the boots. Reopens the bag and repacks it. Okay. Now next, the narrator cannot find his blank place toothbrush. Cannot find his toothbrush. Reopens the bag and repacks it. Now let's see. The narrator forget his soap. S-O-A-P. Soap is sabun. Okay. So next, George and Harris offer to pack the eatable, means खाने वाली चीज जो खाने योग्य हो, eatables. And next, number 8, George and Harris make the blank place of everything. You will put mess, M-E-S-S, mess of everything. And then in the last, the friends finally blank place, the packing and go to bed. In the last, you will fill finished. The friends finally finished the packing and go to bed. Okay. Exercise number C complete. Now you see exercise number D. Exercise number D. Write the answers. Here are 3 questions, and of these questions you have to write answers. Let's see. Question number 1. When did Harris ask the narrator about the boots, and how did the narrator react? Okay. Means here you have to write answer about the that incident when Harris asked the narrator about the boots and the reaction of the narrator at that time. You see, its answer, right answer. Harris asked the narrator about the boots when he got his bag finished and sat on it. The narrator was angry as they irritated him. The narrator was angry as they irritated him. Okay. Answer number 1 complete. Now you see number 2. Question number 2. Describe how George and Harris packed. Means how much trouble they faced. The 2 friends, George and Harris, how much trouble they faced during their packing. Okay. Right answer. Harris is messes. S-M-A-S-H-E-S is messes. Tomato while packing. The bottle of jam over it. Full stop. George trades on butter. Trades means move करना. George trades on butter and creates mess all around. Mess all around. Full stop. Then he tries to put it in the kettle. Full stop. They put lighter things at the bottom and heavier things at the top. Heavier things at the top. Full stop. Done. Number 2 also completed. Now you see number 3. Question number 3. What makes Montmorency happy? What makes Montmorency happy? You see, the dog. Right answer. Montmorency. I told you about Montmorency that he was a very mysterious type of dog, and every time he did mistake, he spoiled many things. He make upset the things here and there. He always tried to disturb the thing because it was his ambition to make trouble someone or to disturb the things. And if he is not succeed to do it, the dog realizes that his day has worthless. Okay. Right answer. The dog Montmorency seems happy as he wants to disturb people. Full stop. It made a mess of everything. Full stop. The way, W-A-Y, way, most of the pet dogs do well in a playful mood. Done. Means in this answer you have written that the dog Montmorency was extremely mysterious and he wants to disturb people, disturb things. He made a mess everything, and like that many pet dogs, the dogs which looks in a playful mood. Montmorency also looks always in a playful mood with the people who live beside him. Okay. Now exercise number D also completed, students. You see now exercise number E. Here you have to match the following words from column A to column B. Okay. There are 5 words in column A and you have to match it with the column B. Now let's see. The first number, phrase. Phrase fruit. फर्स्ट का सी से मैच करेगा, फर्स्ट का सी से मैच करके हो जाएगा आपने फ्रेश फ्रूट. ओके, यू राइट देयर फ्रेश फ्रूट. नंबर 2 कुकिंग यूटेंसिल्स. number 2 to number 8. Cooking utensils. Now number 3, you will match number 3 to soft drinks, soft with drinks, yani soft drinks. Now number 4, salted, you match to salted with butter, salted butter, salted butter. Now next, the last, black coffee. Black coffee number 5 with black coffee. The black coffee will number 5. Okay, number 5 black coffee. Exercise number E also completed. Now you see exercise number F. Exercise number F. These expressions are long, make correct phrases using words from the box. Okay, you see students, number 1. First number, thick traffic. This is wrong. You have to write there heavy traffic. From the box you will take heavy and then you will write heavy traffic, not thick traffic. Okay, like that. Number 2, sad weather. It's wrong. You will take the word bad from the box and it will be bad weathers. Bad weathers. Now number 3, large smile. Large smile. It's also wrong. Large smile. What is large smile? This phrase is wrong. So you will take word grand from the box, and now this correct phrase will be grand smile. Grand smile. Now let's see number 4. Nice care. It's also wrong. This phrase is also wrong. So you will take words from the box good and it will be good care. Your new correct phrase will be good care. Good care. Okay, now last, number 5, nearby friend. Number 5 last, nearby friend. Nearby friend is also wrong. You will write here from the box, you will take close, and now the new phrase will be close friend. Okay, close friend. Okay, your exercise number F also complete. Now you see next exercise number G. G number, replace the words said in these sentences with verbs from the box. You will not need all of them. Okay, the first is, let's see the first. Here, comma, let me pay, comma, included comma, said Jerome. So student, this is the sentence related to imperative sentence. Okay, and in imperative sentence, at first you will convert the let into should, and then you replace said with suggested. You will write there, Jerome suggested that he should pack. Jerome suggested, let me pack जो है he should pack हो जाएगा, that he should pack. Jerome suggested that he should pack. Okay, now next, did you put in the plates, said George. Did you put in the plates, said George. Okay, you will convert it into another form. It's indirect speech. You will write there, George inquired. Means this is part of interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, students, you will change the reporting verb said into asked or inquired. Okay, asked or inquired according to the sense of reporting verb. Here, according to the sense of reporting verb, you will write inquired. George inquired. Okay, now you will cut the comma and comma and you will write there whether. George inquired whether he put in the plates. He put in the plates. He put in the plates. Okay, students, this is clear. Okay, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.